Hello students, welcome in maths video. In previous video, we started unit 11 time. You learn about telling the time. Today you are going to learn telling the time quarter past and quarter to. We know that minute hand complete one round of the clock. Complete one round of the clock in 1 hour. That is in 60 minutes. So we can say that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, as the face of the clock is divided into 60 divisions, that is 60 minutes. But in previous video I shown you that the face of the clock, if it is divided into 4 equal parts, one part is the quarter, okay, and that quarter is of the 15 minutes. One quarter is of the 15 minutes, and like that each quarter of the clock is of the 15 minutes. One quarter 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So half position is of the 30 minutes, and then again 15 minutes, again 15 minutes. So dear students, so in quarter hour, that is 15 minutes, and minute hand moves one quarter of the face. Here, if the minute hand moves from here to 3's position, it completes one quarter. Okay, so minute hand complete one quarter. When minute hand moves from 3 to 6, it complete another quarter. 6 to 9, third quarter, and 9 to 12, fourth quarter. Understood? Now look at this clock. The short hand is a little away from 12. The long hand is at 3. So now the time is quarter past. Dear students, 3's position is past. Quarter past 12, or we can say quarter past 12 or 12:15, because 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15, or this position, this is one quarter of the 15 minutes. You can say the table also. 3 5s are 15, because each division from 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Like this. Okay. Now look at the another example. Here the long hand is at 9. It travels 3 quarters. 1 quarter, second quarter, and third quarters. It travels 3 quarters way round, so minute hand had just one more quarter to reach the 12. To reach, so 2. So short hand is approaching 11. Now the time is quarter to 11, or 10:45. Dear students, आप लोगों को यह दिखाई दे रहा है कि लॉन्ग हैंड, दैट इज मिनट हैंड, वो जो है वो 9 पे है, एंड शॉर्ट हैंड, दैट इज आवर हैंड, इज बिटवीन 10 एंड 11. वो 11 के बहुत करीब पहुंच चुका है, बट 11 नहीं है. ओके, एंड जो लॉन्ग हैंड है उसने 1 क्वार्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सेकेंड क्वार्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है, थर्ड क्वार्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है, राइट। वो जस्ट 11 होने को एक ही क्वार्टर कंप्लीट करना बाकी है. ओके, सो only one quarter to go to 12. So the time is quarter to 11. वो क्योंकि अगर ये इतना क्वार्टर कंप्लीट कर लेता है तो 11 हो जाएगा कंप्लीट. ओके, 11 o'clock, it will be 11 o'clock. So we can write the time quarter to 11 or 10:45. Understood, students? Good. Now look here. Another example is for you. Here is another clock. You can see minute hand, that is long hand, is at 9 and short hand is in between 12 and 1, close to 1, away from 12. Okay, and minute hand, yes, minute hand ने 1 quarter, second quarter, third quarter कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ओके, सो द टाइम इज करेक्ट आफ्टर 12. 9 5s are 45 because each division is of the 5 minutes. We can do like this, or 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 15 45. So the time is 12:45, or we can say quarter to 1. QUARTER, quarter to 1. 1 बजने में 15 मिनट कम है. इसका मतलब है 1 बजने में 15 मिनट कम है. ओके, so we can write the time in both way. Dear students, now we will solve this example. Write the time shown on each clock. It will clear your more ideas. Okay, now look here. The long hand is at 3 and short hand is a little away from 1. Okay, so the position is quarter past, because here is 3. Position is quarter past, just past the quarter. So quarter past 1 or 1:15. We can tell the time like this, 1:15 or quarter past 1. Okay, now look at the another example. Here long hand is at 9 and short hand is in between 1 and 2, close to 2, but not exactly 2. Okay, close to 2, not exactly 2. So the time is, yes, after 1:45 minutes or quarter to 2. So we can write 1:45 or quarter to 2. Now look at the another example. Here long hand is at 3 and short hand is just little away from 6. So the time is 6:15. 6:15 or quarter past, as 3's position is past. Quarter past. Only quarter position is past after 6. So quarter past 6. Here you are supposed to write quarter past 6. Okay. Now look at this example. The long hand is at 9 and short hand travel 3 quarters. 1, The long has traveled 3 quarters, 1 quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and it is at 9. And short hand is in between 3 and 4, close to 4, approaching to 4, but not exactly 4. So the time is 3:45, because 9 5s are 45, or 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 45. 15 plus 15 plus 15, 45. After 3, 45 minutes. Okay. Or we can say quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. Now look at the next example. Here, can you guess the time? Right. It's 11:15. After 11, 15 minutes. Or we can say quarter past 11. Now, last example. The time is, yes, 7:45 or quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. Students, we know time is measured in terms of minutes and hours. A day is divided into 24 hours, starting from 12 o'clock in the night till 12 o'clock night. The days together make weeks. The days together make week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. And months. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. And years. 1 year is equal to 365 days. An ordinary year is equal to 365 days. Dear student, a calendar. Here, look at the calendar. It shows days, weeks, months, and the dates of a particular year. Now, here is an example of a calendar is given to us. But students, keep in mind, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Right? Here, 1 year has 12 months. 1 year has 12 months. Months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months and a week has 7 days. Which are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. When you are writing the spelling of the months and days, keep in mind the first letter must be capital. Okay. Monday is M capital, January is J capital, February is F capital, Tuesday is T capital. Understood now? Good students. Now here one calendar is given for us. But students, keep in mind that 1 month has 31 or 30 days. 31 or 30 days except February. In an ordinary year, February has 28 days. And 1 year is equal to, an ordinary year is equal to, correct, 365 days. So we can say 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days except February. An ordinary year has 365 days. The leap year has 366 days, which occurs once in a 4 years. Okay. And in leap year, February has 29 days. Okay. But in ordinary year, February has 28 days. Okay. Now look here. We will learn about the number pattern in a calendar. Here one calendar given to us. Now look at the Monday. Which dates are on Monday? 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Now look here. First Monday is on 2nd. Date is 2nd. Another Monday will come 2 plus 7 on 9th. And next Monday will come after 9 on 16th. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Okay. So every succeeding number is increased by 7. 2 plus 9, 7. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 7, 30. Understood? You can see here Tuesday also. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. Understood, students? This is the number, we can say number pattern or number chain. You learn in pattern, number pattern, addition or every time repetition of the addition. Here 10 plus 7, 17. Here 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Okay. This is what? Number pattern. You can count for each day of the month. Okay. Here Wednesday is given. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Next one, Saturday. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Dear students, here look at the pattern. Look at the current year calendar to answer. Here we have to write about the current years. Means this year. This is 2021. Okay. How many months are there in a year? 12. Write the number or spelling. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. This is an ordinary year. 2021 is an ordinary year. But last year, that previous year, 2020, was the leap year, which was divisible by 4. And the days were 366. But 2021 is the ordinary year. So 365 days. Which is the first month of the year? January. Write this correct spelling. January. J capital. Which is the last month of the year? December. 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 December's D capital. Next. On which day? Next question is, on which day Christmas fall? Christmas always? Yes, we celebrate Christmas always on 25th December. 25th December. That is the birthday of the Lord Jesus Christ. So, 25th December, Saturday. This year, 25th December falls on Saturday. Okay. You can check the calendar. On what day does Deepavali fall? Deepavali fall on 4th November, that is Thursday. Dear students, now turn the page. Seasons. We have different seasons in our country. Climate, rainfall differ from place to place. As India is very huge country, top to bottom, so climate is different. Very cold in Himalayas, right? And in Jalgaon, so hot. Cold, snowfall are experienced in some places at different times and seasons. Rainfall too occurs at different months in different states. Only summer season, especially in month of May, is most common in our country, except some of the hill stations. Now, which are the hill stations? Can you say? In Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar, Matheran, near to Jalgaon is Pal. Okay, these are the hill stations. It becomes hot during the month of May. We wear woolen or cotton clothes. Which clothes in summer? Tell me, students. Correct. We wear cotton clothes in summer season and woolen clothes in winter season. We wear clothes according to the season. Winter, rainy season are some of the seasons which commonly occur in our country. Now, this answer we have to write. Hot months in your area are. Generally, we can write March, April, May, and if you have written April, May, June, both the answers are correct. Next, cold months in your area are November, December, January. Rain occur in months of June, July, August. Do you receive cyclonic rainfall? No, we don't. Do you have snowfall? No. How long do you have summer holidays? From 1st May to 30th May. And when does your school reopen? After summer vacation. Dear students, nowadays corona and pandemic year this is. So due to the COVID virus infections, when school will reopen, that we can't say. So here this answer I will not give. Okay. But generally every year our school reopens after summer 5th or 6th June. Okay. Traditional seasons. Let us know about our old traditional calendar too. It divides a year into 6 seasons, each about 2 months long. Vasanta, Vasant means spring. Grishma, summer. Varsha, monsoons. Sharad, early autumn. Hemant, late autumn. Shishir, winter. Now you can see spring, March, April, summer, May, June, monsoon, July, August, early autumn, September, October, late autumn, November, December, winter, January, February. Okay. So here teaching of the clock is over. Now multiple choice questions. The long hand of the clock is called minute hand. Which hand? Minute hand. The long hand of the clock goes round the face of the clock once every hour. The short hand of the clock goes round the face of the clock once every 12 hours. The duration of time, one midnight to next midnight is 24 hours. रात के 12 से अगेन रात के 12 बजे तक का टाइम होता है 24 hours का. Okay. How many days make an ordinary year? 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. In a leap year, the month of the February has 29 days. At 8:30, the minute hand of the clock is at minute hand 6. Minute hand will be at 6 as 8:30 position, 6 position. The time from midnight to midday, रात के 12 बजे से दोपहर तक का टाइम, is referred as AM, ante-meridiem. The time from midday to midnight is referred as PM, post-meridiem. Okay, so here our teaching is over. We will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye.